Sorry, for the VMX babes, no? Syempre, we are in the same company. So, syempre, natutuwa kami na they look up to us. Sinasabi nga nila, para daw nila kaming, nakakatuwa naman yung gano'n na na-inspire sila sa amin. And syempre, being in the same company, we also want to support them as well as they want to support us. So, yun nga, sabi nga namin, instead of having any competition, it's nice that na-inspire niyo isa't isa. And sa mga ibang girl group din na lumalabas, ang gusto namin laging i-promote as a group is yung women empowerment, na we have to support each other. Hindi dapat tayo magkaroon ng competition, hindi tayo dapat magkaroon ng mga inggitan, bakit mas magaling kami sa inyo. We all want to celebrate the success of each and every one. No? So, yan, sa VMX Babes, syempre happy kami for them na nabuo sila. But they're in a different naman yung path nila. Different path naman sila sa, of course, different era din. Kasi syempre, mas iba naman yung grupo nila syempre sa group namin. And ganun din yung mga ibang girl group na lumalabas. I think yung mga batang girl group ngayon ng mga kasabayan nila, di ba? Oo. So, we're happy for them and we also want to support them sa mga gusto nilang gawin.
May phone-in question, follow-up daw. May isang member daw ata nagsabi na mas magaling daw sila kaysa sa inyo. Masasabi niyo daw.
Sino yun? You know what, honestly, hindi pa namin kasi sila na-meet personally. And hindi din pa namin talaga kilala kung sino ba sila. Oo, so wala kaming idea kung sino yung nagsabi or kung sino yung ano. But,
Zara daw?
Mas magaling saan? Mas magaling daw saan? I'm just curious.
mas magaling saan?
Magaling sumayaw. Of course, we know our strengths and weaknesses, di ba? So, just to clarify.
What did they
I mean,
mean na mas
acting.
magaling?
So,
Acting.
I think that's a very nice motivation for them to say na mas magaling sila sa amin. And, you know, they're entitled to their own opinion. But again, eto na lang, yung sa amin siguro, we'll see after 20 years na. We want to see them after 20 years, and you have to say that, diba? You have to say that after being here in the business ng 20 years like us.
Yes, so.
Diba?
Like,
So,
kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kumbaga yung group kasi namin, proven and tested that we had hit songs, you know, we've had so many hit movies on our own, diba? We had so many hit shows. They need to prove that also, diba?
Last question for me. Kayo yung group na may na tawagin Hot Babes. Ano yung ginawa niyo to maintain your figures? Anyone can answer.
Mahirap mag-maintain. Sa totoo lang, over the years, if you don't know how to take care of yourself, it will be so hard. Like ako, I'm very, very conscious when it comes to my skin, my face. I'm hardcore when it comes to skincare. Ito, preparing for this concert, well, one, di na kami kumakain kasi ilang months na lang. Parang less than 2 months na lang. Well, Kathy and I went back dun sa conditioning coach namin. Super diet, pickleball, lahat na. Lahat na ng pwede namin pasuking sports, yun na talaga yung ginagawa namin. And I think, for each and every one naman, no, for the entire group, conscious kasi yung grupo namin na, we want to still look beautiful, we want to look the same, diba? So, I think
parang
I've done
ever
everything.
since sobrang high maintenance yung high maintenance. Pero kami naman nagme-maintain sa sarili namin. Sorry. Ibig ko lang sabihin, if you really want to look good, syempre may effort talaga yan. So, hindi lang yan exercise, diet. Syempre, kailangan mo rin talaga minsan gumastos para talaga to maintain everything. And as an artista, I think hindi lang naman kami. I think lahat naman ng artista, ito yung ginagawa namin. So, kailangan talagang i-maintain kung ano man.
You need to invest in your skin,
You have to
in
invest
yourself.
talaga.
Kasi
Investment
ito
talaga.
yung ano namin hanap buhay namin diba? We're in front of the camera 24/7. Especially now with social media, diba? It's so easy to take a snap of anyone who's out. So we really have to, and we really do our best to maintain. Let's just say na kami yung napaka-vain na hot babes. Yan.
Well, for me naman, dahil matakaw ako, mahilig akong kumain, kailangan ko talagang mag-exercise. So, I run for 1 hour and then I do weights for 4 hours. Dahil sa sobrang matakaw ako. Yun yung reason.
I'm comfortable talking about naman self-care and, taking care of yourself. Kaya I would like to thank Glamformation sa aming makeup ni Andrea, Jessie, Estetica, Doc Oro, who else girls? Kasi nag-share kami ng mga sponsors, yung maganda sa amin eh. Of course, Gems, Crown, Lipa, Haircology, Artistry. Thank you guys, love you.
For me, I do a lot of pickleball, addict lately, but because when it's off season, not off season, I play polo with my hubby sa Calatagan. And then now that we're about to do the show, ayun, nag-start naman ako ng training dun sa connected dun sa magiging show namin. And yeah, a lot of self-control. A lot of self-control sa kain and all. So that's basically it for me.
Ako naman, malakas din ako kumain. So I make sure that I work out and I do pole. Actually, I do pole dancing and the aerial. Kasi parang gusto kong i-maintain pa rin yung feeling na confident ka pa rin with your own body and then at the same time, kailangan flexible. Pwede pa rin mag-stretching ng malala, ganun. And syempre, I wanna maintain pa rin yung katawan ko from before. So, I make sure na I'm doing, kasi ako naman pag-workout, medyo nabubore ako pag-workout lang. So, I mix it with art, which is, I'm doing pole dancing, I also teach private classes and then at the same time, and then syempre kailangan healthy yung pagkain. Buti na lang yung anak ko, very healthy siya sa pagkain. So nadadamay na rin ako. Ganun. So healthy diet, workout, and positive thinking. Ganun. No nega vibes. Ganon. Pag nani-nega vibes na ako, run away. Ganon. Run away.
Ako siguro yung I had my twins about 2 years ago. So, ngayon, nung nalaman ko magkakaroon kami ng reunion, nagpapanik ako. Kasi, kinailangan ko magpapayat like 2 months. Oh my gosh. So, ayun, hahabulin ko sila. Ngayon, I'm trying to get back at it, start getting back to working out at saka pickleball yun. So, lagi ako nagpi-pickleball. So, sana, bago mag-October 23, mahabol ko yung mga katawan nila.
Sila kasi nagpi-pickleball, ako hindi ko po pinapalo yung pickle. Tinitikel ko lang po. Joke lang. Yung pickleball, hindi ko pinapalo. Tinitikel ko lang po yung pickle.
Thank you po and congratulations.
Thank you po, thank you.
Tickleball yung sa'yo. Tickleball. Alright. Maraming salamat, ladies. Okay, now, from